Guess what, students? There is still another way we could separate this word. Okay, so last time we did it after the F. The first time we did it before the F. And the first time we did it before the M and after the M. What if we mixed them up? So what if we had this one and then this one? Our word would be refaming. Refaming. Or we could also do it like this. Refaming. 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 There are 4 different ways we could say this word. That's why it's so important to try the different syllable separations so that you can really figure out the different ways the word could be pronounced so you can actually find the right word. Since this is a pseudo word, we don't know what the right way is, so all of them are correct. But when you come across real words and you separate them in different ways, that's how you will know what the real word is. You will recognize it. So that's why it's so important to try the different separations with noticing the different syllable types, even though there's so many ways in one word. You can do it.